Hi, this is a quick video to brief in a project that I can't resolve. So these are portfolio items in Avada, and if I click anywhere, I'm clicking at the moment around here, and clicking gutter cleaning, nothing happens. This icon, if I click that, I will go to the respective pages, but a lot of people are going to click here and they're not going to realize that they actually have to click the icon. Now, Avada have not done a very good job. If you remove the icon, basically there is no link at all. The only way that you can create a hyperlink is to have this icon. Now, if I go to the back end and I go to Avada Theme Options Extra, Featured Image Rollover. So in here you can turn the image rollover, the image rollover link icon off. So now that I've done that and clicked on save, I'll show you what I mean. So I will refresh the page. Okay, so now the icon's gone, but cannot click anything or anywhere, which is very annoying. So if I come back to theme options, that's, as I showed you, where the featured image rollover options are, and you can play around with these. I've tried every combination, can't get it to work. So I'm just going to turn this back on for now. The other place that, so general portfolio, there are options in here, nothing to do with what I want. They're also in the portfolio, so the actual portfolio pages. So let's say the gutter cleaning page, if I click on that, all the way down the bottom in the options here. So in portfolio options, this is kind of the same, but only applying to this particular page, the image rollover icons. It's basically on default, so it's the master that's controlling it. I think you can override it with all these. Tried all these options as well. Still can't get it to work. This is where you set the link, the actual hyperlink that the page goes to. Now, one other thing, I'll show you a YouTube video. This was in 2014, and it used to be you had open project link when thumb is clicked, and you could tick this. So just quickly show you. Come back. Press play. So this was what an old portfolio item post used to look like.
And in this case, we are using the Castle theme.
And then you can pause this video.
Everything is slightly different, but anyway, you should have an option that says open project.
So that's where it used to be, but they don't have that anymore. So that's kind of where I'm at. I've tried all options to get this to work, but so essentially what I want is to have it looking like that. But anyway that you click, it goes to the page. So that's essentially it. I've got to deploy the website. Doesn't mean much to you when you get here. It'll be the same. But once I've deployed the website, I'll brief this in. Okay, cheers. Thank you.